Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kusnil Jembermata, NIM 202111095. Capital structure determinants and its influence to value of the firm. Abstract. Every year, wholesale and retail industry in Indonesia always grow positively. Even in the Asia Pacific region, it's the first. Therefore, investors see this as one of promising investment, but Indonesia Capital Market Directory data indicate that from most of wholesale and retail company is a high risk company defined by company capital structure because of the perform making the cost of investment. Investor need to analyze financial report to pro determinant of capital structure and its influence the value of the firm. Analysis was performed using financial statement data of 21 wholesale and retail companies listed on Indonesia Stock Exchange in 2008 sampai 2012 using part analysis to the direct and the indirect influence of independent variable, liquidity, probability, and firm size to depend variable value of the firm on capital structure, and whether the capital structure is an intervening variable. Result of analysis provide the independent variable simultaneously and partially significant influence the capital structure, but it with significant influence to value of the firm, but if its capital structure then is partially and simultaneously significant influence to value of the firm, it means that capital structure is proven as an intervenient variable. Literature review. Pecking order theory. Pecking order theory states that the company with high level of profitability saw a low level of debt because the high profitability company has a abundant source of internal funds. Bernley, Myers, and Mars 2007. Pecking order theory has two roles: the role analyzing internal funds and ensuring securitization the having minimal risk. Pecking order theory implies the circle of funds from outside the company is required. Firstly, the company need to issue debt before issuing share only of the capacity of the company to use the price maximum. Follow the company can consider to issue stock. Considering there are various kinds of the pecking order theory also indirectly expect the company manager should publish debit with strict capital structure. The capital structure is a permanent property expect to cover to next of corporate spending using for operating form combination or sources that comes for within and outside the company. It also refers the balance sheet between debt and equity. The source of funds come from outside in of the foremost debt will the sort of fund from the capital obtained from equity itself. The capital structure is divided into the essential part, depth and quality, where the sum of the and quality is created the value of the firm. The capital structure can be calculated through target the board to equity ratio. Comparable the half in there, followed by the doing is separated in if the company is using the and it means that the company is in liquid and has a high of trades. Capital structure theory explains the long-term expenditure policies that might influence the value of the firm, the cost of capital of the company, and the company's stock price as well combination for of long-term debt and quality capital that can make optimal capital structure optimal capital. Structure is capital structure the maximize the value of the firm of or to minimize the cost of capital of the company to maximize the company's stock market price. Capital story of the capital the most but none of the theory capital structure ability to evaluate the optimal capital structure for a company so that in the dimension of optimal capital structure. Manager and economists need to take evident acts in the real world. The first capital structure is now by Francesco Modigliani and Marto Miller. In 1798, challenged the theory of according to the in the capital structure using form for that does not have any influence of the value of the firm. The directly in the credibility of a company. Signaling theory explains that when the company is able to generate profit, its strength is increase the amount of debt due to the addition in first payments and income before tax. Companies that private lower profit will tend to use low debt level. High High purpose that will insert the possibility that the company faced financial difficulty, the more successful a company. The value of the firm. The company is an organization that combines and organizes various resolve the four purposes of providing goods and services for sale. The company's main purpose, according to theory of the firm, and is to maximize the value of the firm. Maximize the value of the firm is very important for a company because with maximizing the value of the company also means maximizing shareholder wealth. The company value is the marketing value of enterprise securities. Stock price. The high stock price met the high value of the firm. The high value of the company will make the market valuable on the market perform today, but also on the company property. Share are for ownership of person of anti again a company. Companies the net fund in the form of equity can be acquired through the issue of shares. The shares of the sold direct to the owner of the funds, the investors, or the general public through the stock market. Liquidity. Liquidity is the ability of a company to pay bills in the short term without disrupting operation. In the balance sheet, the company liquidity is characterized by the division of current assets divided by short-term debt. A company the able to pay out its financial obligation later shall liquid company. And, and a company that has no ability to pay out its financial obligation called it illiquid company. A company out of liquid is when the value of the division of current asset. Follow the short-term debt is great that one. In general, insurance maxing investment also saw the company liquidity so that liquidity is also differentiated the company capital structure in investor the invest will increase long term debt or short term debt and it sell the capital structure of the company. Profitability is a measure the indicates the company's stability to generate profits for its shareholders over the asset profit distributes the company at profit distribute the share difference will cause the company request external funding. Taberi is the company long-term debt or short-term debt. Profitability is important in the company survival in the long term because the profitability in the debt would have company as good profit in the future and company will also try to improve its profitability because the high the level of profitability of a company, the survival of the company will be more secure. Its profitability indicates the third perform of management in managing operations short of funding to generate net income. It is and more effective, so it can be said and in addition to the management in managing the invest of the company. Investor also pay attention to the performance of management capable of managing results. Growing probability so the company perfect or better due to the potential for improved profitability. The capital investor a positive signal of the capital, the bill investor investor and facilities the management of the company after capital in share. Firm size describes the size of the company versus indicator the total sales, total asset, and the average level of set. Total asset, the use of funds, affects the capital structure because in determine how a company solve profit fund to finance its asset, which led to strengthen the composite of the development the company. Profit of Richard, Margaret, and Leslie. Conductor study-wide independent variable used in capital structure and independent variable were firm size. Tangibility, probability, growth, non-debt, tax sale, an investment. The objective therefore was 40 manufacturer companies entered the stock after the project. These referencing multi-paragraphy training. The consulting from the study is general property, liquid grow and debt, tax savings, and inclusive with capital structure, but the company sustainability are hot on drive. And thank you. Terima kasih.